Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about new lesson, that is part 1, unit number 3, electrochemistry. Unit number 3, electrochemistry. Right? Last class we discussed about aldehyde ketones and carboxylic acids. Right? Now part 1, electrochemistry. First, what is electrochemistry? Electrochemistry. The chemicals deal with electricity, that is known as electrochemistry. But here one thing is very important. Exact meaning of the electrochemistry is, in chemistry, based on the speed, the chemical reactions are two types. One is spontaneous reaction and second one is non-spontaneous reaction. Spontaneous reactions, second one is non-spontaneous reactions. What is spontaneous? What is non-spontaneous? Spontaneous means the reaction does not require any external energy. A reaction does not require any external energy. It will occur itself only. And non-spontaneous means this reaction does not occur on its own. This type of reactions need energy from outside. When we give the energy to this non-spontaneous reaction, then reaction will be forward reaction, means reactant to product, it will be converted. And non-spontaneous reactions, these reactions are not required any external energy, and these reactions are for convert reactant to product itself only. Right. When spontaneous reaction will be occurred, then energy will be released. That energy in the form of electrical energy. Electrical energy means chemical energy will be converted into electrical energy, that is known as chemical energy will be converted into electrical energy, that is known as electrochemistry. That means the study of conversion of chemical energy into electrical energy, that is known as electrochemistry. And next, when the spontaneous reaction will occur, then energy will be released, that energy in the form of electricity. And some non-spontaneous reactions require electricity from outside, and when we give the electrical energy to the non-spontaneous reaction, then reactant will be converted into product. Means reactions will absorb energy and some reaction will release energy. That the energy absorbed are released in the form of electricity, and this relation all will study in electrochemistry. Clear here, electrochemistry is the study of production of electricity from energy released during spontaneous chemical reaction. Means production of electricity from the spontaneous reaction, that is known as electrochemistry. And and the use of electrical energy to bring about non-spontaneous chemicals transformation. The subject is of importance of both the theoretical and practical considerations. A large number of metals, sodium hydroxide, chloride, fluoride, and many other chemicals are produced by electrochemical methods. So simple here, chemical reactions are two types. One is spontaneous reaction, second one is non-spontaneous reaction. Spontaneous reaction means reaction that will occur on its own, and this reaction will release energy in the form of electricity. And some reactions are non-spontaneous reaction. Non-spontaneous reactions require energy from outside. When this non-spontaneous reaction absorb energy or electrical energy, then reactant will be converted into product. And This relation all will study in electrochemistry. Okay, the use of electrochemistry means to prepare pure metals. प्योर मेटल प्रिपेयर करने के लिए इलेक्ट्रोकेमिस्ट्री को यूज कर सकते हैं. एंड नेक्स्ट वन, प्रिपरेशन ऑफ सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड एंड क्लोरीन, फ्लोरीन एटसेट्रा, सब डिफरेंट कंपाउंड सेपरेट करने के लिए गैसेस को एज वेल एज हाइड्रोजन, ऑक्सीजन इलेक्ट्रोलाइसिस मेथड है. तो ये मेथड से भी डिफरेंट कंपाउंड को प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं. एंड अनदर वन, energy into chemical energy, or the reactions carried out electrochemically can be energy efficient or less polluting. तो इलेक्ट्रोकेमिस्ट्री का यूजेस से डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ प्रोडक्ट को प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं. एंड नेक्स्ट वन, दिस एनर्जी इज व्हेन chemical reaction occurred, then electrical energy will be released. This reaction is non-pollutant reaction. That's why this energy or this method is known as eco-friendly method. मतलब eco-friendly means यहाँ पे केमिकल रिएक्शन की वजह से जो एनर्जी रिलीज होता है वो एनर्जी की वजह से पोल्यूशन नहीं होगा. वो पोल्यूशन नहीं होता है, दैट्स व्हाई दिस इज नोन एज इको फ्रेंडली मेथड होता है. एंड नेक्स्ट वन, electrochemistry is a very vast and interdisciplinary subject. In this unit we will cover only some of its important aspects. That is, first one, Daniell cell. Second one is electrochemical cells and electrolytic cells, concentration cell, and batteries, etc. Okay, now we are going to discuss electrochemical cell. Electrochemical cell. Electrochemical cell means what? Chemical energy will be converted into electrical energy, that is known as electrochemical cell. Okay, now we are going to discuss electrochemical cell. In this, electrical energy will be converted into chemical energy. Electrochemical cell, best example is Daniell cell. Daniell cell is one of the best example. Daniell cell, one of the best example for electrochemical cell. In this cell, electrolytes are there, and these electrodes are separated in separate vessels. Here, two metals are used. One is zinc electrode and second one is copper electrode. Electrode means these two are the metals. Electrode which is in solid state and it will conduct electricity through itself, that is known as electrode. These metals are known as electrodes, right? And here the solutions are used. The solutions are known as electrolytes. Electrolyte means the substance which is in liquid state and through conduct electricity through itself, that is known as electrolyte. Here the electrolyte is, one is zinc sulfate and second one is copper sulfates are used. Means these two are electrodes, means solid state में रहेगा, electricity को flow करेगा, and these two are aqueous solutions and it's pass electricity through itself. That's why these two are known as electrolyte and these two are electrodes. Means first one, construction of Daniell cell. Here Daniell cell construction. Daniell cell construction. First one, two separate vessels in these two separate vessels, aqueous solution. One vessel means vessel A and this one is vessel B. Vessel A having zinc sulfate solution, means it is in aqua state. Zinc sulfate solution एक beaker में लेना है, and second one is copper sulfate aqua solution, it is in another vessel. Here in this aqua state, one benefit is there. Zinc sulfate produces Zn plus 2 ion and SO4 minus 2 ion. Copper plus 2 produces copper sulfate produces Cu plus 2 and SO4 minus 2 ion. These solutions having, means zinc electrode is dipped in zinc sulfate solution and copper electrode is dipped in copper sulfate solution, means zinc sulfate में dip किया हुआ and copper electrode copper sulfate में dip किया हुआ. This is zinc electrode solid in state, ये solid state में रहेगा. This is also solid state, that is copper electrode is dipped in its, means copper metal dipped in its copper sulfate solution. Zinc electrode, zinc metal is dipped in its zinc sulfate solution. Here and here, these two electrodes are connected with ये copper wire, here copper wire, and with the ammeter and one switch is there, and this connected with another electrode, means zinc electrode connected with the copper electrode through a copper wire. In between these two, one is switch and another one is ammeter. Ammeter is used for the identify the flow of electricity. Electricity generate हुआ कि नहीं हुआ identify करने के लिए ओके ammeter को use करते हैं. Here and next one, these two vessels are connected with a salt bridge. Salt bridge के साथ कंपलसरी कनेक्ट करना पड़ेगा. तो यहाँ पे कंडीशन है, वो कंडीशन में बता. पोटेशियम नाइट्रेट KNO3 को यहाँ पे सॉल्ट ब्रिज में सॉल्यूशन यूज करते हैं. तो ये ग्लास रूल है, यहाँ पे फिट कर. नेक्स्ट, व्हेन वी ऑन द स्विच, मीन्स वायर कॉपर वायर कनेक्ट होगा, देन electrode potential difference will be generated between two electrodes. So here electrode means exact definition. Electrode means the potential difference between solvent, means the solution, and electrode, means this metal. Potential difference means electron gaining or loss, that is known as potential difference between metal and this solution, aqua solution, that is known as electrode. And here one facility is there, sometimes always metal ions will come in this solution and metal ions deposited on the electrode also, means based on the anode cathode. And in this reaction electrode potential will generate between aqua solution and electrode, and here also potential difference will be generated between copper sulfate and copper electrode. When we connect these two electrodes to the copper wire, then one electrode behaves as anode, second one is behaves as cathode. How we will identify the anode and cathode? Based on the loss or gain of electron. The electrode which can lose the electron, that is known as anode, and the electrode which can accept the electron, that is known as cathode. Means electron जो loss होता है वो anode होता है, electron जो gain करते हैं वो cathode होगा. Here in this solution zinc rod behaves as anode and copper rod behaves as cathode because EMF series. EMF means electromotive force. आपको ये नेक्स्ट आएंगे. इलेक्ट्रोमोटिव फोर्स कॉपर मेटल का ज्यादा रहेगा, तो इसका सीरीज का ऑर्डर है. ऑर्डर मैं नेक्स्ट क्लास में एक्सप्लेन करूंगा. तो जिंक से कंपेयर करेंगे तो इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल वैल्यू ऑफ कॉपर इज ग्रेटर बिकॉज कॉपर विल अट्रैक्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन टुवर्ड्स इटसेल्फ मोर कंपैरिजन विद कॉपर जिंक से कंपेयर करेंगे तो इलेक्ट्रॉन का कॉपर का इलेक्ट्रॉन अट्रैक्शन कैपेसिटी मैक्सिमम, तो इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल वैल्यू इज कॉपर इज ग्रेटर देन कॉपर इज ग्रेटर देन जिंक। तो यहाँ पे कॉपर जिंक में से ये दोनों इलेक्ट्रोड के बीच में इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस रहेगा। इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस के वजह से इलेक्ट्रॉन विल ट्रांसफर फ्रॉम वन इलेक्ट्रोड टू अनदर electrode. In these two metal, copper having higher electrode potential. That's why this copper electrode will attract electrons from zinc to copper. That's why zinc always behaves as anode and copper behaves as cathode. At the anode, the reaction occurs that is known as oxidation reaction. Here, at anode, the reaction occurs that is known as oxidation reaction. Oxidation means electron will be lost. At cathode, the reaction occurs that is known as reduction reaction. Means finally one electrochemical cell will be constructed, that cell having a redox reaction. Means one is oxidation half reaction occurred and second one is reduction half reaction occurred. Means electrochemical cell having redox reaction, right? And when these two electrodes are connected with the copper wire and due to generation of electrode potential difference, one is behaves as anode, another one is cathode. Anode charge is always negative sign, cathode charge is always positive sign. Means at the anode the reaction occurred, zinc प्योर मेटल, ये जिंक के ब्रैकेट में जो है एस लेटर उसका ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट हो, सॉरी उसका फिजिकल स्टेट है, जिंक इज इन सॉलिड स्टेट, occurred oxidation and two electrons will be released. आप 11th standard में redox reaction में पढ़ा. Then Zn plus 2 will be released in this solution. Means जिंक इलेक्ट्रोड से Zn plus 2 ions जिंक सल्फेट सॉल्यूशन में आ जाएगा. तो releasing two electrons, these two electrons will transfer from the एनोड टू कैथोड. मीन्स जिंक में से जो टू इलेक्ट्रॉन्स रिलीज हुआ, ये टू इलेक्ट्रॉन्स जिंक इलेक्ट्रोड से कॉपर वायर के साथ कॉपर इलेक्ट्रोड पे आ जाएगा. कॉपर इलेक्ट्रोड पे क्या होगा, इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी इंक्रीज होगा, मतलब नेगेटिव चार्ज इंक्रीज होगा. इन दिस सॉल्यूशन Cu+2 आयंस SO4-2 आयन रहेगा. तो कॉपर इलेक्ट्रोड का साइन क्या होगा, ऑटोमेटिक नेगेटिव साइन हो जाएगा. Then this copper electrode will attract Cu+2 ions from the solution electrolyte. Means यहाँ से Cu+2 ions ये 2 electron को attract करके copper, pure copper will be deposited on the copper electrode. Means after some times the weight of copper electrode will be increased, the weight of anode electrode will be decreased, because zinc will be released from the zinc electrode and copper will be deposited on the copper electrode due to redox reaction, due to oxidation reaction. Here at cathode, this one is anode. At cathode, redox reaction will occur. Cu+2 ions. This Cu+2 ions occur in the aqueous solution. That's why the physical state of this Cu+2 ions always aqueous state में रहता है, तो इसलिए इसको AQ indicate करना है. This copper will attract two electrons from copper electrode and forms 1 mole of pure copper is in solid state. Compulsory इसका physical state important है. Zn means there is no oxidation, no reduction, no oxidation, तो solid state pure zinc, so it will convert into Zn+2. That means ये aqueous state, means zinc pure में से zinc aqueous में आएगा. Copper aqueous to pure पे zinc copper electrode पे deposit होगा. Means anode always shows negative sign, cathode shows positive sign. cathode पे redox reaction होगा, reduction reaction होगा, एनोड पे ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन. तो ये रिएक्शन due to potential electrode potential difference. This electrode potential difference is known as cell potential. Potential, cell potential, cell potential, cell potential. तो टोटल मीन्स ये ये कॉपर वायर के साथ कनेक्ट होने के बाद ये सेल में से जो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जो एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस होता है वो एनर्जी को हम लोग सेल पोटेंशियल से इंडिकेट करते हैं. सेल पोटेंशियल डेफिनेशन इज द इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस बिटवीन टू इलेक्ट्रोड्स. ये टू इलेक्ट्रोड के बीच में जो पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस है वो सेल पोटेंशियल. इलेक्ट्रोड एक्वस सॉल्यूशन के बीच में जो डिफरेंस है दैट इज नोन एज इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल. इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल, इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस. तो इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस इज नोन एज सेल पोटेंशियल. ठीक है, तो सेल पोटेंशियल के बारे में बाद में डिस्कशन करना है. सेल पोटेंशियल इज इंडिकेटेड विथ ई सेल, इलेक्ट्रोड सेल पोटेंशियल. तो ई सेल से इंडिकेट करना है. नेक्स्ट वन, व्हाट इज द यूज ऑफ दिस सॉल्ट ब्रिज. ध्यान से सुनो, ये इंपॉर्टेंट है. सॉल्ट ब्रिज इट विल कंट्रोल्स द आयंस प्रोड्यूस्ड इन इट्स aqueous solution. aqueous solution में जो आयंस प्रोड्यूस हुआ, नंबर ऑफ आयंस को कंट्रोल करने के लिए, नहीं तो कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ आयंस को कंट्रोल करने के लिए सॉल्ट ब्रिज यूज करते हैं. सॉल्ट ब्रिज का यूज ये है आयन कॉन्सेंट्रेशन को बैलेंसिंग करेंगे. फर्स्ट पॉइंट. नेक्स्ट, व्हेन वी यूज दिस सॉल्ट ब्रिज, व्हेन these two half cells are connected, these two half cells having two different solution means ये वेसल में कॉपर सल्फेट है और ये वेसल में जिंक सल्फेट है, ये वेसल में कॉपर सल्फेट है. मीन्स टू वेजल्स में टू डिफरेंट इलेक्ट्रोलाइट्स होगा तो कंपलसरी यहाँ पे सॉल्ट ब्रिज को यूज करना है. तो इसका यूज और एक बार बताता हूँ. देखो, टू डिफरेंट इलेक्ट्रोलाइट्स यूज होगा तो ये सॉल्ट ब्रिज को यूज करना है, क्योंकि टू डिफरेंट इलेक्ट्रोलाइट्स होगा तो यहाँ पे आयंस डिफरेंट आयंस का कंसंट्रेशन इंक्रीज डिक्रीज होगा. एक का डिक्रीज होगा, एक का इंक्रीज होगा. इन केस दिस टू इलेक्ट्रोलाइट्स आर सिमिलर, दोनों इलेक्ट्रोलाइट सेम होगा तो सॉल्ट ब्रिज की जरूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे डिक्रीज होने दो, इंक्रीज होने दो, तो सेम आयन ही होता है ना. सोल्यूशन एक ही है, इलेक्ट्रोलाइट एक ही है, इलेक्ट्रोलाइट एक होगा तो यहाँ पे डिफरेंस में कुछ नहीं होगा, सॉल्ट ब्रिज का जरूरत नहीं. Two electrolytes are similar, then no need to use salt bridge. In case these two electrolytes are different, then compulsory we will use salt bridge. In this salt bridge, potassium nitrate solution will be used. Ammonium chloride also used in this salt bridge. It will balance the ions produced in the electrolyte. Clear? Here Zn ion को concentration increase होगा. देखो यहाँ से Zn plus 2 ions, Zn+2 आयंस किसका आएगा, जिंक सल्फेट सॉल्यूशन में आएगा. मतलब यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव चार्ज इंक्रीज होते रहेगा, Zn+2 आयन का कॉन्सेंट्रेशन बढ़ेगा. और यहाँ पे Cu+2 सॉल्यूशन, Cu+2 आयंस पूरा सॉल्यूशन में से कहाँ पे डिपॉजिट होगा, कॉपर इलेक्ट्रोड पे डिपॉजिट होगा. मेन सॉल्यूशन पे Cu+2 पूरा डिक्रीज हो जाएगा, ओनली SO4-2 इंक्रीज होगा. यहाँ पे नेगेटिव चार्ज इंक्रीज होते रहेगा, यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव साइन इंक्रीज होते रहेगा. तो ये दोनों को बैलेंसिंग करने के लिए ये सॉल्ट ब्रिज को यूज करना है. क्लियर? तो ये ऑक्सीडेशन, द रिएक्शन occurred at the anode that is known as oxidation half reaction. क्योंकि redox reaction में टू टाइप्स होते हैं, वन इज ऑक्सीडेशन half reaction, सेकंड वन इज रिडक्शन half reaction. तो यहाँ पे टू डिफरेंट वेसल में है, तो दैट्स व्हाई दिस कंप्लीट, ये वेसल इज नोन एज हाफ सेल and second B vessel is known as another half cell. These two half cell will be connected through the salt bridge, then complete cell will be formed. Clear? Otherwise copper wire के साथ कनेक्ट करने के बाद भी complete cell construct होता है. मीन्स सेल कंस्ट्रक्ट होने के लिए कंपलसरी एनोड कैथोड कॉपर वायर के साथ कनेक्ट होना चाहिए, तो ये कंप्लीट सेल फॉर्म होगा. तो टू हाफ सेल्स होता है, ऑक्सीडेशन हाफ सेल, जहाँ पे ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन होता है वो ऑक्सीडेशन हाफ सेल, जहाँ पे रिडक्शन रिएक्शन होता है वो रिडक्शन हाफ सेल. ऑक्सीडेशन हाफ सेल में ऑक्सीडेशन हाफ सेल बिहेव्स एज एनोड, रिडक्शन हाफ सेल बिहेव्स एज कैथोड. clear. And when the electrons are flow from zinc to copper, then electron flow will be zinc to copper. Then electricity flow from copper to zinc. Current current flow opposite to the electrons means electrons anode to cathode पे transfer होगा means move होगा. electricity cathode to anode से move होगा. तो इसमें electricity generate होने के टाइम पे मीटर में क्या होता है, मीटर इंडिकेट करेंगे वहां से कितना इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रोड्यूस होता है. ओके क्लियर. या अनदर वन रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन के बारे में. व्हेन two reactions occurred in this cell, one is oxidation half cell half reaction, second one is reduction half reaction. तो एनोड पे जो रिएक्शन होता है वो जिंक सॉलिड Zn plus 2 aqueous and plus 2 electrons. At the cathode reduction half reaction Cu plus 2 aqueous state and it will absorb 2 electrons and form 1 mole of pure copper. This is reduction half reaction. Here we will discuss about redox reaction. Redox reaction means complete cell construction होने के बाद one is oxidation, one is reduction. When we add these two, oxidation half cell reaction, reduction half cell reaction, then redox reaction will be obtained. Here zinc is in solid state and Cu plus 2 is in aqueous state. Then zinc will be converted into Zn plus 2. Compulsory physical state is important. Zn plus 2 and Cus copper. Cu copper and its physical state is solid state. Clear? Zn to Zn plus 2 means its initial oxidation state is 0. After reaction, it will be converted into plus 2. That's why oxidation. Oxidation by 2 electrons. And here, copper Cu plus 2 to Cu means its oxidation 0. Means 2 electrons are attracted by Cu plus 2. That's why here this reaction is reduction reaction. This reduction reaction having positive sign cathode and it is negative sign anode. This is oxidation half reaction, reduction half reaction. Oxidation reduction half reaction को साथ में लिखेंगे तो यहाँ पे आपको redox reaction. This all will appear in Daniell cell. This complete information about Daniell cell. This is the general cell for electrochemical cell. Based on this method, we will construct number of electrochemical cells by this method. तो यहाँ पे जिंक सल्फेट कॉपर सल्फेट की इन केस द concentration of copper sulfate and zinc sulfate have unity same. दोनों को concentration same होगा तो 1 mole होगा तो unity means 1 mole consider कर. The concentration of copper sulfate and zinc sulfate having 1 molar concentration, then this cell is known as standard electrochemical cell. Standard electrochemical cell. Standard electrochemical cell होता है based on the concentration of electrolyte. दोनों को concentration 1 molar concentration होगा तो this cell is known as standard electrochemical cell. At this time, the concentration of these two solutions 1 molar concentration होगा and pressure 1 atmosphere होगा. In case gas state में होगा तो 1 atmosphere होगा and temperature 273 Kelvin temperature. So, these conditions when this cell is standard electrochemical cell. Next class we will discuss about what is the representation of Daniell cell. Representation of the cell. How we will represent the cell like a chemical reaction. जैसे chemical reaction को elements full name नहीं लिख रहे हैं, only symbol लिखेगा. Similarly यहाँ पे cell construction करने के बाद इसका representation होता है cell representation. We will discuss about cell representation tomorrow. It is very important. Right.